Hi everyone, good morning.
Hi, sir. Hi, good morning.
So in yesterday class, we have discussed about few import set examples with the Excel sheet. Okay, I hope we have completed import set examples with Excel sheet. Okay, today we are going to start examples with CSV file. Okay, today we are going to start examples with CSV file. Then after, I will also start with XML. I will cover today. Okay. My instance is still in backup mode. So guys, with the CSV, with the XML, I will explain one example. Okay. So whatever the examples I have covered with Excel sheet, you can apply all the examples on CSV file, on XML file. Okay. So here I'm going to Ashok IT table first of all. Here I'm going to Ashok IT table. So first of all, I'm exporting this data. Okay, first of all, I'm exporting this data. Export to XML. Download. Again, I'm going to export to CSV file. Selecting all and I'm deleting the data in Ashok IT table. Now there is no data in the Ashok IT table. Okay. For suppose the client has provided CSV file. So you can see comma separated value file. I'm opening this file first of all. You can see how the file it looks like. The name, gender, email, manager. So basically we don't require these fields. I'm deleting it. Okay, perfect. So I'm keeping this. Okay, yes, I kept everything. Yeah, this also we don't require to keep like this. Name, gender, email, manager. Okay, yes. This is the data provided by client in CSV format. Okay. Yes, I'm closing this I'm closing this CSV file. So I'm going to data sources. Under system import sets, we have data sources. I'm opening it. Okay. So here I'm creating new data source. Ashok ID data source 4, I can say. Ashok ID data source 4. What's the label also I'm giving like this only, and file type should be CSV only. Okay. So file retrieval method is attachment. I'm going to downloads. I'm selecting that CSV file and I'm closing it. And I'm saving the data source. I'm loading all the records here. So you can see it is saying something table contains duplicate column names. Is it? No. It is canceling. So we have to verify this file again. My God. We have saved this file, right? Wait, I'm closing this file. Don't say. Maybe I will download this CSV file. Okay, closing it. Okay. Name, gender, email, manager. Okay, closing it. Maybe I will remove. I will change the file name. Show criteria monitor something like this. Yeah, why our changes is not reflecting here? file, save. I'm closing this. Again, I will try to open. Oh, guys, maybe it's problem with this Excel sheet CSV file. I will do one thing. Here we have already associated demo data, right? Maybe I will convert this to CSV file. Okay. Location we don't require. I'm deleting it. Save file. Save as desktop. Comma separated value. You can see somewhere CSV comma delimited by equal. Okay.
And
Sorry. So, yes, we have successfully converted our Ashoka IT Excel sheet to CSV file. You can see it is a comma separated value file in the desktop. Okay, perfect. I'm closing it. Before closing, I will try to make up this.
the access is not available. You have only read only on that file.
It's not like that actually.
Mm.
That's fine. So wait. So I will try to remove this file. Choose file. So I'm going to desktop. Here I'm checking for Ashoka IT demo data CSV file. Okay. Now I'm trying to load all the records. It will accept it here. Okay, guys, got it? Yes. Now I'm creating a transfer map. Show IP demo data. Sorry, Ashoka IT. Transfer map. So I can say target table is Ashoka IT table. I'm saving it. You can click on auto map matching fields. Will map the fields. Yes, field maps got created. You can see 4 field maps created. Now I'm transforming the data. Transform. Transformation is completed. You can see 4 records got inserted. You can come and refresh here. You can see 4 records. Got it, everyone? How I have imported data by using CSV file. Any queries?
But there is no difference, right? Anji? Excel sheet and CSV format.
Yes. There is no difference, definitely. So here you are learning how to import different kind of files, different files like Excel, CSV, XML, like that. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. So guys, you can see if it is a CSV file, it should be like this. So like this. Comma Excel, comma separated value file. Make sure that you are created correct CSV file. Okay. So the data is same. How we have provided in the Excel sheet. Okay, that's fine. Now you can see, if we go to this data source, we go to this data source. Same. We have one field called CSV delimiter. So in some interviews, they asked about CSV delimiter. So I will note down. What is CSV delimiter? So sometimes what happens is in the CSV file, data comes in single column only with separated by comma or some special characters. Okay, comma or some special characters. Okay, so at that time in the CSV delimiter we have to provide that character. Okay, you can process a CSV files that are delimited by a character other than comma. Okay, so in the CSV file sometimes all data will come in single field only, and that kind of time if you want to separate the data to different columns, if it is a comma, not required. CSV delimiter is not required. If it is other than comma, it is required. Okay, we have to provide. For example, here Anji at the rate of mail at the rate of, if they given data like this in single column, here CSV delimiter is at the rate. Okay, like that. So we'll note on the definition. You can process the CSV files other than comma. Okay, perfect. Oh. Next I'm going to XML file. XML, in the XML we have two examples, with attachment, without attachment. Guys, for this I required one Servicenow instance. Okay, for this I required one Servicenow instance. In our instance we have same table or columns available. Okay, next I'm going to Ashok IT table. I'm deleting this data. Delete. So here I'm saying Ashok IT data source file. Data source. Ashok IT data source file. Here we have Excel sheet. Here we have Excel sheet. So you can see I'm uploading the XML file. Sorry. I'm uploading the XML file. This is XML file we downloaded. Okay, so you can see. This is the XML file actually. Okay, so I'm opening it. So you can see Ashok IT.xml. Okay, so imports and table name also I'm providing same. Here XPath for each row. XPath for each row. What we have to provide? We have to provide /unload /table name. Okay, /unload /table name. You can open this XML file somewhere. I'm saying open with, choose another app. Wait. Show options. Edit with Notepad++. So you can see, guys. So here we have to start with unload. Okay, slash unload. I'm copying this tag. Slash unload slash each record. We have 4 records, right? Each record starts with u underscore Ashok ID. Okay, we have to provide this tag name. So I'm copying it and I'm pasting here. Got it here, what I have provided? Yes. Everybody got it? How I have provided XPath for each row. I will also note down these in Notepad. By using XML attachment in data source, we have to provide XPath for each row. A slash unload slash table name. Okay, got it, everybody? Yes, saving it. Now I'm saving this data source. Okay, now I'm saving this data source. Load all the records. Yes, we have loaded. Now we don't have any transfer map, right? I'm creating transform. So IT data source. Sorry, I should create a transform. Fine. Target table is Ashok ID. Save this. Then scroll down and you can click on auto map matching fields. So definitely it will auto match all the 4 fields. Okay. So more than 4 fields is auto matched. Okay, if you want to keep all the fields, that's fine. Or if you don't want all these fields, you can remove not required fields. Maybe title is not required, phone is not required, location is not required, business destination is not required, number is not required. 1, 2, 3. These fields we don't require. If you want to remove, yes, you can remove. Otherwise, if you want to keep, you can keep, no problem. Anything is fine. Okay. Now I'm removing these field maps. Okay. Perfect. Yes. Now I'm transforming that data. So you can see in Ashok IT table, now we don't have data. Once transformation is completed, then data will available in the Ashok IT table. That's it. You go to the transformation, 4 records got it. Okay, got it, everyone. Yes or no? Any queries here?
That XML, did you download that
Sorry.
from this XML file? We have added the names, right?
Yes, XML file I have added here.
Yeah, that you did download it.
Yeah, I have downloaded here from here on. Okay. So you can right click, export XML. Okay. Okay. Yes, guys, any queries with this example? I want one side. So my explanation is completed. So I'm deleting this data. Okay. Yes. I'm closing this. Closing this. I want one Servicenow instance. Please quickly send your instance ID in chat. Again, I'm going to data source. Now,
I have here one question. While downloading the XML file, the other fields are also
yes,
in that XML file, like the
yes, yes.
description.
If you don't want, you can. If you don't want, you can remove that fields in the XML file only by using edit Excel. That like by editing this Excel sheet, XML file. Okay.
Okay.
For explaining example, I have downloaded directly here. Okay.
Okay, okay. That's the reason it's showing the other fields also
Other
when
fields also. Yes,
transforming the
yes,
map. Yes, okay.
yes, yes, exactly. Ashok IT data source 6. Okay. So file format is XML. So now I'm not retrieving the attachment. I have file method, file path. So I'm bringing the file path. Yes, give me one Servicenow instance details, please.
Yeah, I'm giving.
Yeah, give me immediately.
Yeah, I've pasted in the chat.
Password should be admin,
Yeah,
correct, right?
that's correct. Training@123.
So server we have to provide here. We don't require again HTTPS because retrieval method already selected at the top. So here we have to provide XPath for each row and file path also. Okay, before going to that, I'm going to log into the Servicenow instance. I have to check the table, what table data I have to know here. Okay. I'm logging in. Yes, Rangareddy, you have that kind of table like Ashok IT. Any table is fine like that.
Yeah, you can go to history, you can find the IT source you can take.
IT source.
Yeah.
So name, employee ID, magentas, email managers. What's missing here? I think
A
check.
gender.
Yeah, that's fine. Even 3 fields is fine. Okay.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 records are there. So then I will map only name, Gmail, manager. In the manager also I'm changing. Okay. So these are user records you created, I hope. Okay. I will keep existing
Yes.
user records like Abil Tutor, Abraham Lincoln. I will keep existing user records. Okay. Otherwise, I have to copy this Mahesh Gayatri user details to my instance. Then I will not get any issue. Okay. Why it is string field? No, I don't want this. So next you have any other table?
Yeah, I have given every field as string.
Why? I'm explaining with the different fields, right? Why I'm explaining like name is string, email is string, Gmail is choice, manager is reference. Guys, please follow like that if it's possible. Okay. This is also fine. Okay. Yeah. So maybe I will create one table quickly. Okay. Tables. Otherwise, we can use existing tables like user table or instant table. But problem is, if we use that, we have large data in that tables, maybe 100 records like that. So we don't want 100 records to be processed every time. Okay. I'm going to label. Maybe here also I will keep Ashok ID. Save. Going to our refresh. So okay. Wonderful. So yeah, list. Configure form layout. Name, sorry, name, string, email, string, gender, choice, manager. So that's the I'm saving it. Configure choices. Male, female. Okay, male, female. Yes, now I'm going to Ashok IT table. First of all, I will import the data here. Okay. So still it is not opening. It's fine. That's the right to that list. So you can see. So I'm importing XML. Import XML. I'm choosing import XML option here. Ashok IT and I'm uploading. Okay. Successfully, I have imported data by using import XML. You can see, guys. So export XML, import XML. If you want to import any XML files, you can also use this option, import XML. That's why in this Rangareddy instance, we have Ashok IT table and we have data. Now we have to bring that data to our table. Okay, file path. So you can see what we have to provide XPath for each row. So by using XML without attachment in data source, we have to provide XPath for each row is /table name. /table name. Table in Rangareddy instance, we are trying to access the table, this one, _ Ashok _ IT table. Okay, got it? And what file path we have to provide? Table name .do XML _ Ashok _ IT .do XML. Okay, got it, everybody? So this one and this one. These table names are not from our Servicenow instance. These table names are from different Servicenow instance. Got it, everybody? Yes
Yeah.
or no? Okay. I will first of all I will note down this point also by using XML without attachment. Attachment data source. We have to provide XPath for each row. Row is /table name, right? Table name, and file path is table name .do XML. Okay, I'm saving it. Now you can come and save here. Now you can come and save here. Now you can load all the data. Now data is taken from the Rangareddy instance. Got it? Yes or no? So here I'm directly creating transformer. Ashok IT transform map 6. I'm saving it. We are bringing data from different instance guys here. Okay, you can keep in mind. So now I'm saying auto map magic. Here also all the field maps will create. No, only that 4 field maps will create. Because of in Rangareddy instance, we don't have other fields like location, title. We haven't created those fields. That's why only 4 field maps create. Now I'm transforming the data. Wait, it's loading. Transform. Okay, successfully transformed. Data is successfully transformed. Now you can go to Ashok IT table in our instance. Perfect. We received data from different instance to here. I'm closing this. Closing this one also. Again, I'm going to data source. Data source 6. This time I'm planning to keep policy property for name field. Again, I want to execute this. So that's why I'm keeping policy property true here. For name field, I will. Not choice action, basically. Name. Save. I'm saving this transformer. Perfect. Yes. Now I'm closing this. Yes, I kept policy property true for name field for Ashok IT data source 6. Okay. Now I'm closing this. Now I'm going to Rangareddy instance again. I'm creating different record. Maybe I will say like this. JAYA at the rate of gmail.com. Gender, mail, manager maybe Abraham Lincoln. Submit. You can see we have an extra record or not. Tell me guys. Yes, we have an extra record.
Yes, sir.
And I will also try to update this Anji's gender, for example. To field. Okay. Okay. And maybe, yeah, one record. So basically, if we execute the transform up again, one record we have to create, that is JV record. One record need to update, that is Anji record. Okay, got it? Yes. Now, in this data source only, we have another concept. Schedule import. CHEDULE, schedule import. SCHEDULE, schedule import. Okay. Under system import sets, under administration, we have scheduled imports. You can note down that point as well. This navigation you can note down. Under system import sets, we have administration. Under administration, we have schedule imports. Okay. I'm saving it. Scheduled imports. Yes. We can also note down this table name. Scheduled underscore import underscore set. scheduled imports. Table name is scheduled underscore import underscore set. I'm saving it. Okay. Now I'm going to create a one schedule here. Now I'm going to create a one schedule here. I will say bring Ashok IT data something. I will say like this Ashok IT data. Okay. Data source Ashok IT demo data 6. I'm taking. Okay. So basically, this is retrieve. This is connected to other instance. Okay. I want to execute daily. Maybe I want now the time is 6:44. 06 6:47 47 I'm giving. My current instance, this instance is in IST time zone. I'm saving it. You can wait until 6:47. You can see what happens. Okay. Before executing that, I'm opening this data source again. I want to explain one more point within this data source. Not in data source. In transfer map, I have to explain. So you can see, guys, everywhere you are able to, in each and every transfer map, you are able to see run business rule. What it means. So guys, while importing data, so other scripts. So basically, for every table contains web policies, client scripts, business rules, on. Okay. So while transforming the data, if we want to execute business rules against to this transform map, yes, you can keep run business rule true. While importing this data on the Ashok IT table, if you don't want to execute business rules on the Ashok IT table, you can remove this run business rules. Okay. Got it, everyone? I will note down this point. Meanwhile, you don't require to do for that import. Okay, it will automatically take. At 6:47, we have given time 6:47.
If we uncheck that business rule checkbox, what will happen? Usually, we are not added any script, right?
So no, I have. These are the schedules actually. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. By default, there is a script, right?
No. So these are the schedule jobs. If we given some particular time, within that time, it will automatically execute. If that schedule import is executed, it will take the data source. In that data source, it will automatically load the data. Then after automatically transform the data. Okay. Yes. Now the time is 6:47. Maybe we can write this business rules related point. Then okay, we'll see the data. If we keep run business rules true in transfer map, if we keep run business rules true in transfer map, okay, in transfer map, while importing the data, so the business rules against target table will execute. Table will execute. Okay, got it. So this I will explain you while working with business rules. Okay, this example again we will come to transfer this data import sets, and I will explain this point related example, one example at that time while working with scripting. Okay, perfect. And saving it. Now we can come to our Ashok IT table, and you can see the data is we receive data or not. You can see what happened in our Ashok IT table. We receive data or not from Rangareddy instance. Yes, we receive. You can see JB record is there. For Anji record, it is updated gender. Okay. Got it, guys, everybody?
Yes.
Guys, once you are done with this example, you can
So
deactivate.
usually, do we use that CSV format in real time? That delimiter, something you said, right?
I haven't used CSV in real time as of now. Okay.
Okay.
As part of training, I have explained. Yes.
Okay.
Guys, once you're done with scheduled data import, you can deactivate it. In real time, you will not deactivate this. We are using personal developer instances. So if we import the a large amount of data, your instance will go on. That's why I'm deactivating it. Okay. Yes. Okay, I have successfully deactivated.
Yes. So Anji, I have a doubt. So in this scheduled data import, we usually transfer the data one instance to another instance, right? By using scheduled time.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Next. So here you can see we have transform scripts. So, sorry. No. First, somebody is saying something. Transform scripts. Okay. In Servicenow, you can note down the
Anji, here on down. Actually, schedule import is used for the only adding the record, new records.
It's not like that.
Mod-
Adding new records, updating new records, we will use schedule imports. Okay.
Okay, adding and modifying the existing records.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Now you can see transform scripts. The transformation events occur during the process of transforming an import set table onto the target table. Transform events specifically modify the transformation behavior at the different points in the transformation process. Okay, I will copy this form and paste it here. Transform scripts. So you can see transformation events occur during the process of transforming an import set table onto a target table. Okay, so basically, while importing data from different sources to our target table, we will use transform scripts as well to change the behavior of transformation. You can say transformation events specific transformation event scripts modify the transformation behavior at different points in the process of transformation. Okay, got it, everybody? So like while importing the data, if we want to change that data import behavior, okay, based upon the requirement, we will use a transform scripts. Okay. So I will also explain one example with the transform scripts at that time while working with script. There are different types of transform scripts. I'm copying this data here. Okay, you can look into it. Next here you can see I will also note down all these one place on start or after. Before. On choice grade. Okay. So these are the different types of transfer scripts. Okay. Yes, I'm saving it. It's just theory part as of now. Okay. Once we are started with scripting, at that time I will explain one example with transfer scripts. Okay, got it? Any queries up to here? No? Am I audible first of all?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
you
okay.
can.
Yes, sir, you are. Yes, yes.
Yeah, that's fine. If you are not like responding, so I feel maybe my voice is not clear for you. Yeah, that's fine. Next concept within the import sets only, we have next concept called LDAP. Okay, LDAP. So LDAP stands for Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. So LDAP is used to import users and groups data 0 groups data from Active Directory. Got it, guys, what I'm saying? LDAP is used to import users and groups data from Active Directory. Okay. Guys, if we joined in any organization, so maybe if you already working somewhere, you know this point. Like what? For every application in organization, we have only one credentials. Okay. Yes or no? If somebody is working, yes or no? For every
Yes, sir.
for every application using within that organization, we have only one credentials. So basically what happens is, Rangareddy, please stop video. Okay. So if we
I'm
join,
not.
yeah, if we join in the
Someone.
organization, sorry, what? No, I didn't get you.
No, you said stop video. I'm not. I'm saying someone.
That's right. So you can say, once you join in the organization, the IT team will create a one user record for you in Active Directory. Okay. All company data will be stored in Active Directory only if you go to any organization. Okay. So they are using multiple applications within their organization. They will do you can say SSO integration. Okay. By using they will do everywhere SSO integration. Like if it is, for example, if it is Servicenow instance, we are daily logging with our username and password. If we go to real time, you will log in with maybe some Microsoft. You are able to log into Servicenow instance by using some third-party logins, maybe Ping ID or maybe Microsoft. Okay, maybe we have different things. Okay, like that. So how we are going to log in with some third-party login system? Because of we did LDAP integration for Servicenow instance. Okay, that's why it will redirect to third-party login system. So how the credentials is matching. So when we are trying to log in from the third-party login system, whenever you are entering your credentials, it will bring your credentials from Active Directory and match, and you are able to log in. Got it, everybody? Yes. So basically,
Got it.
LDAP integration is, we can say LDAP integration is one-time activity for a Servicenow instance. Only one-time activity. Okay. So from my entire career, almost 8 years, I did LDAP integration only one time for one of my project. Okay. Got it? Yes.
Yeah.
But you must know how to do the LDAP integration. Guys, if we want to do the LDAP integration, actually we require all the details. But in the online, we have one website called Forum Systems. They are providing the some default service, default Active Directory. Okay, we'll utilize that one. Yes. Navigation. I'm closing all the tabs here. You can type LDAP here. LDAP. Under system LDAP, we have LDAP servers. Under system LDAP, we have LDAP servers.
So Anji, then you will explain transfer scripts later.
Yes.
Okay.
LDAP servers. So that means I will not explain all these things. Okay. So what I will explain with the transfer scripts, how to write a script in the transfer scripts. That part I will explain. Okay. Got it? Yes.
Yeah.
Saving it. LDAP servers. Now you can come here. You can note down the table name first of all. So LDAP underscore server underscore config. This is the LDAP server table. If you want to create a LDAP server, what is the navigation? Same, I'm copying it. Create new server. Okay. New server. For this, we have already document created. Okay, we can utilize that document. Maybe in this we have. So you can see somewhere we have LDAP integration. Yes. Yes. 100%. We just, you guys, you can just follow this document. Okay. So you can see we have to go for under system LDAP. We have to go for create new server. Create new server. Yes, I will navigate as per the document. Create new server. Meanwhile, I will also open that forum system LDAP. Okay. So this is the online test LDAP server, you can say. I'm copying this URL. Okay. Wait. Why it is coming like this? No, this is wrong. Copy link address. So maybe I'm trying to paste this URL here. So this is the actual URL. Okay, as of now, it is redirecting to some other page. That's when you can ignore about this. Okay, no problem. So we have document, right? You just follow the document. It is not working. Okay. Yes. Here I'm providing Servicenow training, something like this. Servicenow. TRAINING. My LDAP server name is Servicenow training. Okay, guys, in interviews, they will ask, what is port number for LDAP server? 389. LDAP, LDAP server, port number is.
So is this universal code for the server name 389?
Yes, pencil. Not only for LDAP, for every system we have port number. Like for printer, we have port number, for projector, port number, for computer, we have port number, for server, we have one port number. Okay. Normally, in Google, you can type port numbers. You will get list of port numbers. Okay. What are the port numbers?
Only?
Not only for service, for everything, for everywhere, we will use same port numbers. Okay. So you can see port. Wait. So you can see port number 20, port number 21, 179, 500, 3389. I think
Okay.
this link don't have all the port